farmers in the north as they were passing by. They swore an oath and a mighty oath that the Barleygrain should die. With me Rexfeld al the Dalderio, Rexfeld al the Daldi. With me Rexfeld al the Dalderio, on the Barleygrain for me. They put poor Barley in a sack of a cold and rainy day, and brought him off to the column fields and burned him in the clay. With me Rexfeld al the Dalderio, Rexfeld al the Daldi. With me Rexfeld al the Dalderio, on the Barleygrain for me. Being in the summer season and the harvest coming on, it's the time he stands up in the field with a beard like any man. With me Rexfeld al the Dalderio, Rexfeld al the Daldi. With me Rexfeld al the Dalderio, on the Barleygrain for me. The next came was the binder, and he looked at me with a frown, but in the middle there was a thistle that pulled his courage down. With me Rexfeld al the Dalderio, Rexfeld al the Daldi. With me Rexfeld al the Dalderio, on the Barleygrain for me. The thresher came with his big flail, and soon he broke my bones. Could grieve the heart of any man to hear my sighs and groans. With me Rexfeld al the Dalderio, Rexfeld al the Daldi. With me Rexfeld al the Dalderio, on the Barleygrain for me. The next thing that they done to me, they steeped me in a well. They left me there for a day and a night till my middle began to swell. With me Rexfeld al the Dalderio, Rexfeld al the Daldi. With me Rexfeld al the Dalderio, on the Barleygrain for me. The Barleygrain is a comical grain, it makes men sigh and moan, for when they take a glass or two they forget their wife and home. With me Rexfeld al the Dalderio, Rexfeld al the Daldi. With me Rexfeld al the Dalderio, on the Barleygrain for me. The drunkard is a dirty man, he used me worst of all. He drank me up in his dirty maw and tumbled against the wall. With me Rexfeld al the Dalderio, Rexfeld al the Daldi. With me Rexfeld al the Dalderio, on the Barleygrain for me. There was an old man lived in Killyburn Braes, frightful, rightful, tillyful day. There was an old man lived in Killyburn Braes, and he had a wife as the plague of his days. With me rightful doll, tillyful doll, fall the doll, doll, the doll, doll, the doll day. The devil he came to the man at the plough, rightful, rightful, tillyful day. The devil he came to the man at the plough, saying, one of your family I must take now. With me rightful doll, tillyful doll, fall the doll, doll, the doll, doll, the doll day. Says he, my good man, I have come for your wife, rightful, rightful, tillyful day. Says he, my good man, I have come for your wife, for I know she's a plague and torment of your life. With me rightful doll, tillyful doll, fall the doll, doll, the doll, doll, the doll day. So the devil he hoisted her up on his back, rightful, rightful, tillyful day. The devil he hoisted her up on his back, and down to hell he went with the pack. With me rightful doll, tillyful doll, fall the doll, doll, the doll, doll, the doll day. There were two little devils a playing with chains, rightful, rightful, tillyful day. Two little devils a playing with chains, she opened her stick and she knocked out their brains. With me rightful doll, tillyful doll, fall the doll, doll, the doll, doll, the doll day. There were two other devils looked over the wall, rightful, rightful, tillyful day. Two other devils looked over the wall, as a take her away or she'll murder us all. With me rightful doll, tillyful doll, fall the doll, doll, the doll, doll, the doll day. So the devil he hoisted her up on his back, rightful, rightful, tillyful day. The devil he hoisted her up on his back, and back to the man he went with the pack. With me rightful doll, tillyful doll, fall the doll, doll, the doll, doll, the doll day. So it's true that the women are worse than the men, rightful, rightful, tillyful day. It's true that the women are worse than the men, 'cause they went down to hell and were flung out again. With me rightful doll, 1868 being the state of the year, them Waterloo sportsmen did grandly appear to gain the great prizes and bear them awa', never counting on Ireland and Master McGrath. On the 12th of December, that day of renown, McGrath and his trainer, they left Lurgan town. John Welsh was the trailer and soon they got o'er, for the very next day they touched England's sweet shore. And when they arrived there in great London town, all the fine English sportsmen they gathered around, and one of them gentlemen gave a ha-ha, saying, "Is that the great dog you call Master McGrath?" Then Lord Lurgan steps forward and says, "Gentlemen, if there's any among you with money to spend, for you nobles of England I don't give a straw. Here's 5,000 to 1 on my Master McGrath." Then McGrath he looked up and he wagged his old tail, just to comfort his lordship and show he'd not fail, while Rose stood uncovered and the crowd yelled hurrah, "There's the pride of all England and Master McGrath." As Rose and the Master both waited their call, "Now I wonder," said Rose, "why you left home at all. Keep your breath for the race and don't waste it in jaw, and stuff that up your gob," said Master McGrath. Then the hare she went off just as swift as the wind. He was sometimes pronounced her and sometimes behind. Rose gave the first turn all according to law, but the second was given by Master McGrath. Then the hare she led on with the beautiful view, as swift as the wind o'er the green field she flew, but he jumped on her back and held up his old paw. 3 cheers for old Ireland, cried Master McGrath. I know my love by his way of walking, and I know my love by his way of talking, and I know my love dressed in his suit of blue. And if my love leaves me, what will I do? And still she cried, I love him the best, and a troubled mind sure will know no rest. And still she cried, funny boys are few, and if my love leaves me, what will I do? There is a dance house in Amerikay, and there my true love goes every night. He takes a strange girl upon his knee, and don't you think now that angers me? And still she cried, I love him the best, and a troubled mind sure will know no rest. And still she cried, funny boys are few, and if my love leaves me, what will I do? If my love knew that I could wash and wring, if my love knew that I could weave and spin, I'd make him a suit of the finest kind. But the want of money leaves me behind. And still she cried, I love him the best, and a troubled mind sure will know no Bonny boys are few, and if my love leaves me, what will I do? I know my love is an air of rover, and I know my love roams the wide world over. In some foreign town he may chance to tarry, and some foreign maiden he'll surely marry. And still she cried, I love him the best, and a troubled mind sure will know no rest. And still she cried, bonny boys are few, and if my love leaves me, what will I do? I am a rambling hero, and by love I am betrayed. Near to the town of Baltinglass there dwells a comely maid. She's fairer than Diana bright, and she's free from earthly pride. She's a lovely maid, and her dwelling place is down by the Tanyard side. I stood in meditation, and I viewed her o'er and o'er. I thought she was aurora bright, descending down so low. No, no, kind sir, I'm a country girl, she modestly replied, and I labour daily for my bread down by the Tanyard side. For 12 long months we courted, till at last we did agree, for to acquaint her parents that married we would be. But alas, her cruel father to me he proved unkind, which makes me sail across the sea and leave my true love behind. Farewell, my aged parents, and to you I will bid adieu. I'm crossing the main ocean, dear, all for the sake of you. But if ever I return again, I will make of you my bride, and I'll roll you in my arms again down by the Tanyard side. The Viban whistle shall the William ach yin she quoth dim sa farir ger the was na town pass na baltim wara ach dag shion me os da vain she counsa fair Seán town will the venture shown in war here fain a finished on time log scan fallet leisagum is begm of winter I wish I had you in Carrickfergus is fadonach in a Barleygrain sailing over the deep blue ocean in the McGrath sig yellow for the seas are deep love and I cannot swim over and neither have I the wings to fly. I wish I met with a handy boatman who would ferry me over, my love and I. In Castle Comer it is reported a marble stone there as black as ink with gold and silver I'll pay for porter, but I'll sing no more till I have a drink. For I'm drunk today and I'm seldom sober, a handsome rover from town to town, but now I am dead and my days they are over. Come Molly Astorine, now lay me down. Where the birds do increase at the foot of Mount Leinster or some silent place by the streams of Bunclody where all pleasures do meet, and all I would ask is one kiss from you, sweet. Oh, the streams of Bunclody, they flow down so free. By the streams of Bunclody, I am longing for to be drinking strong liquor in the height of my my fortune to try. When I think of Bunclody, I'm ready to die. The little red fox is a raider, sly in the misty moonlight creeping. With the morsel to his taste, he hurries off in haste, while the farmyard soundly sleeping. A duck, says he, has charms for me, likewise a young cock crowing. But a fine fat goose is most of use to a family young and growing. And Madarina roar, 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 and Madarina roar, Congrana, and Madarina roar, the Lions and Luker, August, Baraga, Lewis and Marde. The little red fox is a family man, by his own fireside reposing, till the cry of the hound shows his lair is found, and there's no time left for dozing. I'm off, says he, don't wait for me, there's a long, long road before me. But home I'll be in time for the tea, when I put this trial o'er me. And Madarina roar, 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 and Madarina roar, Congrana, and Madarina roar, the Lions and Luker, August, Baraga, Lewis and Marde. The little red fox is a hero bold, and he rates his foes but meanly. With the corn, twist and wine, they're left far behind, and he rests on the hill serenely. I like, says he, the breeze from the sea, and the view up here is glorious. And sweet from below comes the merry tally-ho, and the hound's melodious chorus. And Madarina roar, 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 and Madarina roar, Congrana, and Madarina roar, the Lions and Luker, August, Baraga, Lewis and Marde. The little red fox is a gallant knight, when the hour of stress has found him. He crouches at the feet of the beauty of the meat, while yelping foes surround him. Fair maid, says he, were it not for thee, some sport I'd show them daily. But my brush I yield to the fairest of the field, and I die at her feet quite gaily. And Madarina roar, 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 and Madarina roar, Congrana, and Madarina roar, the Lions and Luker, August, Baraga, Lewis and Marde. And Madarina roar, the Lions and Luker, August, Baraga, Lewis and Marde. She lived beside the Tanyard at the foot of Streams, a gentle Irish peasant girl with mild eyes like the dawn. Her lips were dewy rosebuds, her teeth were petals red, and a snowdrift 'neath a beechen bough, her neck and nut brown hair. How pleasant 'twas to see her on a Sunday, when the bell was filling with its mellow tones lone wood and grassy dell. And when at eve young maidens strayed the river bank loveliest of the throng. Oh, brave, brave Irish girls, we well may call you brave. Sure the least of all your perils is the stormy ocean wave. When you leave your quiet valleys and cross the Atlantic foam to hoard your hard-won earnings for the helpless ones at home. Write a word to my own mother, say we'll meet with God above, and tell my little brothers I send them all my love. May angels ever galvanize their dying sisters' and folded in the letter was a braid of nut brown hair. You may sing and speak about Easter week and the heroes of '98, of Fenian men who roamed the glen in victory or defeat, their names in history's pages told, their memory will endure. Not a song was sung of our darling sons in the valley of Knockanure. There was Welsh and Lions and Dalton boys, they were young and in their prime. They wandered to a lonely glen where the black and tans did hide. The Republic bold they did uphold, though outlawed on the moon. And side by side they fought and died in the valley of Knockanure. In Glen, three gallant men took shape, while in young wheat full soft and sweet the summer's breezes played. But it was not long till lions came on, saying time is not mine or yours. But alas, 'twas late, and they met their fate in the valley of Knockanure. The summer sun is sinking now behind the field and lea. The pale, pale moon is rising far, far out beyond Tralee. The dismal stars and clouds afar are darkening o'er the moon, and the banshee I'll be bidding farewell to the land of my youth and the home that I love so well, and the mountains grand to my own native land. I'll be bidding them all farewell. With an aching heart I will bid them adieu, for tomorrow I'll sail far away o'er the raging foam, for to seek a home on the shores of Amerikay. And it's not for the love of the gold I am going, and it's not for the love of fame, but that fortune bright might shine over me and bring me a glorious name. No, it's not for the love of the gold I am going, or the weary and stormy sail, but to seek a home for my own true love on the shores of Amerikay. And when I am bidding my last farewell, the tears like rain will blind, to think of the friends of my own native land and the home I am leaving behind. But if I'm to die in a foreign land and be buried so far, far away, no fond mother's tears will be shed o'er my grave on the shores of Amerikay. The summertime is coming, and the trees are sweetly blooming, and the wild mountain thyme throws around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? And we'll all go together to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? I will build my love a tower near yon pure crystal fountain, and on it I will place all the flowers of the mountain. Will you go, lassie, go? And we'll all go my true love she were gone, I would surely find another where the wild mountain thyme grows around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? And we'll all go together to pluck wild mountain thyme all around the blooming